Hi everyone, life lesson number 9. You grow through what you go through. So there are mga challenges, pains, and mga tough seasons nga we considered as obstacles in life. And be thankful for those things because they are opportunities for us to grow. And we will have room for improvement because of that. And then you also have this hardship, no, that carries a lesson which will somehow help us build strength, and then probably we would be able to acquire wisdom from those things. And of course kana bitong very common nga ginagamit na nga mga term kana bitong being resilient or kanang resilience, no. So let's excuse me, let's embrace the struggle. It's of course shaping us to become the best version of ourselves and probably become stronger persons ato ang mga kaugaling. So thanks for watching. Bye.